Hello, good afternoon, and today I will show you my gift. Ta-da! Silk Air. What's inside here? Inside this, got my brand new headphone, and this is a brand new JBL headphones. And say this, really cool, and special in here. Aircraft model. As you can see, it's very special to me. Now, if I do the unboxing video, I've never shown you this, and I unboxed this today for today's unboxing videos. What is this called? Oh yes, it's my Silk Air Boeing 737-800 I mean. So this is, I show you this product because that's my birthday gift when it was in December 9. So this gift to me, and it's made by Boeing, licensed product. So the stand is unfortunately at the car. I'm so sorry, I don't have to use any stand because the stand is left at the car. So this is the assembly thing. Okay, let's do unboxing. What is right here? Oh, an airplane, some tools. Oh, 3 engines inside here. What you got here? Some engines, yeah, turbines. Let's open this. Oh shit, well, the camera is moving, sorry guys. So originally new, and there are the tools right here. Finally, time for the unboxing. Okay, look at. Don't press it too hard, it will be broken or it be cracked. Oh yes, surprise! It's my brand new surprise is a Boeing 737. What's originally here? Cool detailed something like brand new things on this airplane. You can do this, but do not try to break it. I like the winglets. So first one, you need to install one engine in here, so it's perfect and easy. Looks perfect. Installed on the left wing, firmly. Okay, this one next to the part of the mall. I mean, oops, what fell down? Sorry guys, just let me get fall down. After this, we got a review. Incident. Yes, it's fine. There's no incident at all. Just like the Silk Air crash today. Maybe several years ago, the Silk Air of the airplanes crashed. The 737-200 aircraft. I must remember that. Okay. To review. This is, I love the cockpit windows and wings that has no landing gears too, so I perfect. The plane is pretty cool enough to do this for the unboxings. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe for my other videos, and bye bye.